Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders around the world. This is Phil V at Trading Capital Markets, and we are the 1st of April, 1st of May 2025, and it's currently 8:46 a.m. All right, let's share this. Let's go a little bit deeper in this. All right. Last week's Top Down Sunday, we were discussing this whole move over here and how this was the target because they had the stronger hand for the most part of this short move, and that we need to sweep these lows in order to kind of get this. Okay, something similar happened in yesterday's session where um, price just briefly swept these relative equal lows over here, relative equal lows. So the ones over here, you see them here, 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 and here. It swept those one swift movement and came back. The structure started changing right away. Let's go see that right now. We're gonna make a box in this area. Look at that. We're gonna make a box in this area. Okay, and we're gonna see how market structure started to change in that area. Now let's go down in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, so this is the box. The box within, where is this market structure within? Okay, let's make it a little bit. Let's make it a different box. Let's make it the fair value gap box. Like that we could see a little bit better. Oops, sorry. Like this. So we swept the liquidity and we started making our way back up. Let's do a little path exercise. So let's start very, very simple. Okay, so now you're gonna see it's gonna start changing. New low right here. You see this? Right here, past the high, new high, close above, boom, back down. This is a swing low, back up. Look at this. Perfect bullish market structure. Oops. Okay. So perfect bullish market structure. So we broke above and closed above higher over here, right? Right here on this candle. And guess what? You use the first fair value gap of that that's the closest to that break above. So here we have a clear change in market structure over these two relative equal highs also that formed at 9:30. And exactly here when it broke the structure, guess where it went to? Straight in a fair value gap and then rocketed off from there, like literally rocket all the way up to, oh, sorry everyone, all the way up to its current price up here. And this drive in late in the afternoon was earnings. So earnings, Microsoft beat by 7.38%, Meta beat by 22.83%, and Qualcomm by 1%. So it was a pretty good afternoon session for stocks. They ripped, and now we are currently in like we took the high actually. this high that we were aiming at back then when I was saying they had strong hands. So we came back, we swept his lows, swept the lows again, and took this high just recently. Boom. Now we are perfectly rebalanced, and we might see moves to the downside, but for the moment, I don't know. We are perfectly in the middle. So, well, of what my eye can see. Just slightly above. So now you see, now we're going in premium a little bit. So I might start selling and then building back over here at equilibrium. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Um, Market structure is going to be ultra tough to gauge because it's one drive with no resistance to the upside. Maybe some slight resistance over here, but there is some bullish fair value gaps here, but it's pretty empty in this region. A bunch of relative equal lows also. Maybe a comeback and tap into this level. So for this moment, this morning, so break below this is bearish. Break below this, bearish. Break above this, bullish. All right, everyone, like and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on, like I get notified every morning, and it's in your video feed or your YouTube feed that new Nasdaq pre-market analysis has been posted. And hop on the live at 9:30 a.m. if you guys wish. Have a great day, traders. Bye bye.